All right, so we are quickly approaching the grand finale. We're on question 25, part B of the final exam practice. We want to find the equation of this plane pi that's orthogonal to this particular vector v, which is given by I plus j plus k, or in other words, component-wise, it would be 1, 1, 1. And so what we mean by the plane orthogonal to this is that we want this to be our normal vector. Right, so our normal vector is just going to be this vector v, which has components 1, 1, 1. Okay, and it contains this point 1, 2, 3, and that's all fine and good. But to write out our linear equation, for example, or maybe our scalar equation for the plane, it doesn't really matter which one we go for, because here it's just asking us for an equation. So vector equation, scalar equation, linear equation would all be fine. So in fact, I'll go with the scalar equation here. And so the way we're going to write this out is just going to be the x component of our normal vector times x minus the x component of, or the x coordinate of the point. So then plus the y component of our normal vector times y minus the y coordinate of our point in the plane, plus the z component of the normal vector times z minus the z coordinate of the point in our plane. This is equal to 0. So that's our scalar equation. So it looks like x minus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 equals 0. And so of course we can very easily turn this into the linear equation just by collecting the minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. And this gives us x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0. So either this scalar equation would have done, or this linear equation will do. Either are valid answers to this question. So either way, that does it for part B.